So hello, my name is Alain Zarli. I'm Secretary General of ECTP, the European Construction Technology Platform. ECTP is a leading European organization, the aim of which is indeed to work out and promote vision, foresight and strategic roadmaps in the construction sector and the built environment sector as far as research and innovation is concerned. And in this context, ECTP is also managing with the European Commission and the World Green Building Council the Built4People partnership, the objective of which is, of course, once again, to develop research and innovation supporting decarbonization and smartness of our future built environment, leveraging on digitalization and circular construction. In this context, we are used, of course, to try to meet and network with our stakeholders. And in this context, I must say that this event in Poland, Horizon for Poland, is a very, very nice opportunity for us, of course, to meet and network with all our Polish construction stakeholders, to help them better understand what ECTP and Built4People are about, to steer them in the direction and toward the expectations and the ambition of the European Commission, and of course to invite them to participate to the various calls and topics that we continuously elaborate with the European Commission, and which are there, of course, to serve potential progress in the smart buildings and infrastructures of tomorrow.